Kristen Salazar, no stranger to the Florida Insider Official Report. And you know, Kristen, we've been really busy down at the lodge. So why don't we tell them a little bit about what Casa Vieja Lodge is?
Well, I mean, we're an all-inclusive fishing lodge off on the Pacific coast of Guatemala. Just a fun time. You book your flights and we handle the rest. We got the boat, the rooms, we have the drinks, the dinners, the lunches aboard the boat. You don't have to do anything.
Certainly, Casa Vieja is known for being the best destination in the world for sail fishing. You've been busy with some construction projects, so why don't we tell everybody a little bit about the new rooms?
Yes, we just finished it in January. We got 8 new rooms. We needed it, we lacked it. Now we have our boats. We've always needed rooms. We're gonna add another 8 rooms for 16 additional rooms. We're gonna expand the pool, the tiki hut, so that everyone can just have a good time. It was always beautiful and homey. It's still gonna be homey, but a little bit more space for people to really relax, not only just to fish, but to hang out with their wives, with their families, and really just take it all in. So you can come down, you can call Kirsten or Christian here in our Miami office. They're there to answer your phone calls, answer your needs, any questions you have about Guatemala, they can help you. On top of that, you can go on our Facebook or Instagram, you can go online. It shows all of our prices, our packages. So, I mean, just check out there and I promise you won't have any doubts at all.
I agree with that.
It's gonna be fun.
You know what? We gotta go to a commercial. You did a great job.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Thank you so much.